Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I am going to show you how to use PropStream for wholesaling. So basically, PropStream is a powerful real estate data platform often used by wholesalers to find and analyze deals, build lists of motivated sellers, and manage lead generation. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to use PropStream effectively for wholesaling. So for this, decide which city, zip code, or neighborhood you want to invest in. In PropStream, go to the search bar and type in your desired location. Then use filters to identify distressed property owners who may be motivated to sell below market value. Common filters include high equity properties, vacant properties, and pre-foreclosure or liens or absentee owners. Equity 40% or more and ownership length 5+ years. Then select the vacant filter and combine with high equity for motivated sellers. Filter for pre-foreclosure, liens, bankruptcy, or divorce. And absentee owners, filter for owners who do not live at the property address. Once filters are applied, click Properties. You can save this list or export it for skip tracing. For analyzing property data, click into a property to view property details like beds, baths, square footage, and owner info. Mortgage data like how much is owed and comparables comps helps you determine ARV after repair value. Use this info to determine if a deal is viable for wholesaling. For getting contact info, trace your list and get phone numbers or emails of owners. It costs $0.10 per contact. Verify current pricing. Once you have contact info, then cold call or text sellers, send direct mail. PropStream has built-in tools for mail campaigns. Follow up consistently. Then make offers and lock up deals, negotiate a purchase price, use a purchase agreement contract, and include a clause that allows for assignment. Find cash buyers. In PropStream, search for properties bought cash in the last 6 to 12 months and filter by property type and location and contact these buyers or export the list to market your contract. Then assign the contract, use an assignment of contract form and collect your assignment fee. This is your wholesale profit. Here are some tips for success. Be consistent with marketing and follow-ups. Always verify comps and repair estimates and use PropStream mobile app for on-the-go driving for dollars. So basically, this is the way you can use PropStream for wholesaling. If you found this video helpful, then leave a like on video and do subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching.